Hello advisees, as we prepare for academic advising, I want to show you a couple things that I would like you to do before we meet. The first thing I would like you to do is to review your degree audit. And to do that, you'll sign into the portal and then click on Students and Academic and Registration Information and Degree Audit. And you would click here to run your degree audit, and it will probably ask you some information before it generates that. You can either save it as a PDF file or print it out, but I would like you to review your degree audit. Your printable degree audit will look somewhat like this, and as you can see, it will list your major, your ID, your name. Up here, this is kind of important, which catalog you registered under as you started your college career. And that becomes important because that will be the schedule of classes that you need to complete your major and graduate on time. The degree audit also tells you how many hours you've completed, how many are required, and then the real value is as you go through it, it will show whether you still need to complete certain classes or if ones have been completed by you. So for example, here this student has completed HS 115, fall of 16, got a B+, but still needs HS 116. So you can just go through the degree audit and it will show what you've completed and what you need for your particular degree program. The other thing that's helpful when we do advising is your checklist for your particular major. And to obtain that, you just go to Useful Links and then click on the Registrar's page under Current Students. And class schedules, when they release the J-term and spring classes, this is where those will be posted. They aren't released yet. But under GTPs, Guide to Typical Programs, and Checklists, if you click on that, you can pull up checklist of courses that you need per the date that you enrolled. So for example, that student that we were looking at was a 2016 student. If we click on check sheets, we can look through all the majors. He was an econ finance major, so if we click on that, we get this checklist, and this shows all the different classes that the student needs, the core as well as core business, and then we would just look at econ finance. And what's nice, this shows you exactly what you need to complete your program, and you could compare this to the degree audit and check off the courses that you've completed. This shows you what you need to complete, and then you can look in the catalogs to see what's going to be offered for spring and kind of determine a plan of attack. The other thing to keep in mind as you get into upper division business classes, some are only offered spring or fall, some are every other year, and so as we're planning, we want to make sure that we get the classes when they are offered so that we don't miss them and end up needing a course that won't be offered in the time frame that we anticipate graduation. So again, if you can do as much preliminary work as possible, it will help us in advising, and we can spend our time maybe talking about internships and other bigger picture matters. So hope this little tutorial helps.